In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a signature in Exclaimer Cloud. First, we'll click New Signature, of course. It's not my logo in there, so I'm going to click Upload Image, and I'm going to select my company logo. Okay. I've already filled in my company details. You could type yours in. And that's all so that on this screen, the example signatures are filled in with my details. In all categories, they would be. So let's go in and let's pick this one. It's pretty close to how I want it, but there are a couple changes I need to make. First, let's bring in a table so that I can hold this structure in place even as I add additional content in. Okay, we'll drag that logo up into the top left where it needs to be. Excellent. Now I need the banner. So I'm going to grab that banner content. I'm just going to drag it in right next to that logo. And that's why we've got this table to hold it in place. Click Upload Image, select the banner, of course, and click OK. All right, it's starting to look good. So I also need these contact details to be underneath the banner in that cell. So I'm just going to drag those and the second line underneath the banner. Good. But you can see I left a space for some social media icons. So I'm going to drag those in. And then in here, I've got 4 of the ones I need. I need to add just one more. I need the Google Plus social network icon. Excellent. And actually, I'm going to have the URL filled in from the Office 365 directory. I've got everyone's personal Google Plus URL in custom attribute 6. And of course, I mean Google Plus. So we'll type its name. Let's click OK. And then this is a little bit too far over to the left. So I'm going to go to padding. And I'm going to put a couple pixels in just to nudge it into the place I want. So, all right, 4 pixels. It's starting to look good, but it's too close to the logo above it. Well, we'll put some padding at the top. So let's put, say, 5 pixels in. How does that look? All right, that's where we want it to be. So now that's all fine with Karen Green's details in there, but some people might have longer job titles. So let's select the whole table and let's set a maximum size for this table. Let's set it to be 500 pixels. I already know the width I want, but I could have played around and previewed. So okay, now we need another section underneath. I'm going to insert a row below. I could have done it above, I could have done another column to the left, but we're just going to do row below. And I will put a disclaimer underneath. But I don't want it in that one little section. I want that to span across the entire width. So we'll go to Cell Span and set Column Span to be 2. So it spans 2 columns across the entire width. Perfect. So now we're just going to go to the legal disclaimer content. We're going to drag that in here. All right, it's looking good. So it's almost there. A couple things just need to be kind of moved into place. So that banner, we need it just separated from the logo a little bit. We'll go to padding again, stick a couple pixels in on the left. Let's say 5. Okay, that's too much. Let's go for 2. And I can see how it's going to look in real time in that preview over on the right. Good. And then the most important thing, I need to make sure this banner hyperlinks to the right address. So I'll type in the page for my webinars that we're linking to. And then I'm going to fill in the alt text. So when people hover over the banner, they can see where it's going to take them to. Very good. All right, I'd say that's ready. If I go up and I click Save, I can give this signature a name. Well, it's to promote my webinar, so I'm going to call it Webinar Signature. Cool. So when I click Close, it's going to take me back into the main Exclaimer Cloud view. I can see it there. Perfect.